it's Brian with GreyWolf Tower Scan. So I've been holding on to this package for a little while and haven't done a video yet. Just wasn't sure if it was something that would be interesting or not. So I was on Twitter. I decided to enter this competition from MNPCTech on Twitter. They had a post and I decided to enter it and I got picked for it. So I figured I'd do a little showing of what it was that I got. They do custom mods for computers, and majority of it seems to be stuff for the hardware side, like video cards, cases, things like that. So there it is. So this is the item that I won. That's kind of cool. I didn't notice, but I got a pair of safety glasses, which are actually really useful because I wanted to do some stuff that I need those for. So, and then I've got an MNPCTech business card. MNPCTech, voiding your warranty is our business. Making custom parts for your PC since 2001. So, and it's MNPCTech.com is their website, so you can go and check them out. This here is the item that I won. They did package it pretty good, so I'm pleased with that. And so this here is the part. And so I'm gonna have to check out their site and see about some instructions on it, but it's probably got to go this way. I would think it goes this way. This is a graphics card support arm. It's got 2 screws for it. It looks like a little bumper piece so it doesn't scratch up the card. So I would assume that it goes this way with the back of the case here and the video card laying across it this way. So that, well, more this way because end of the video card's over here. And this way it helps support those heavier, bigger video cards and graphics cards out there. So, and it's black, so it'll go with pretty much anything. So it's kind of cool. And then it's got the little vent holes looking slots to it so that it doesn't look like just a plain bar going across it. And then it's got, looks like etched into it is MNPC Tech. So yeah. Anyway, seems pretty sturdy. It's not flexible. Well, you know, I could bend it if I really put force on it, but it's not like instantly flexible with a little bit of weight. So, and when it sits this way, bolted in, it should be a really good support for a graphics card. Unfortunately, it won't work for my graphics card, but I think it'll work great in the system that I'm building. I think I'm going to pop it into that one for the one my wife asked me to make and see about putting it in there. So, I'm going to definitely put it to some good use. Thank you, MNPCTech. Thank you. I appreciate it. And everyone, if you need a support for your graphics card, which I highly recommend with the bigger cards, that's who I would go to for mine. MNPCTech.com. Go ahead and take a look, see what they've got. So definitely a useful part. I appreciate this as an item, having gotten it as a contest, you know, winning. It's cool. It's nice. I don't usually win contests, so it actually is really cool that I got this. And so figured I'd just share that little bit, let you see what's going to go into this new system and everything, and hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoy this kind of product, definitely check out MNPCTech.com and hit the like button down below so that I know that you enjoy this kind of content, and that way I can gear more towards this type stuff. Hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on our stuff. Send me a comment if you have any questions or comments, and have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.